Do you want to make money online on unconditional autopilot and without performing any work once you set this up? If you do, then excellent, this is the video for you and you might wanna hold watching. Today I will share with you this brand unique site that I have never spoken of before on my channel, through which you can make a bunch of money online in purely passive and inactive income, but only if you entirely set this up properly. If you don't, this will solely not work out for you. As such, keep watching, so you know definitely what you need to do. And with all of that announced, let's get into this tutorial, dudes. As you have listened today, I have a passive and inactive income procedure to share with you, and it's not that twisted whatever, as you will soon see. Just 4 platforms are implicated. The initial one is a site called fueltalk.com. As you can detect on their homepage, this is a place where you can grow. If you want to expand your TikTok account, if you scroll down, you can notice that through this website you can pay for TikTok likes, views, and of course, TikTok followers. And no, don't worry, I won't notify you to generate a TikTok account and then use this tool to evolve. That entirely couldn't be any further from what we certainly want to do with this website. And as such, most of the characteristics this platform offers aren't relevant and I won't waste your moment going over them, so let's get to the point. What you wanna do once you arrive onto this platform is as follows: scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and then click on Affiliates right over here. We will certainly want to promote this as an affiliate, and there are several enormous reasons why. First and foremost, and a bunch of people would be interested in a site like this. If you are promoting something not a bunch of people require, then you completely won't make that many sales and thus you won't be able to make that much money. Thanks to the fact that there are over 1 billion TikTok users as of right presently, though, promoting a website like FuelTalk can turn out to be insanely beneficial. The huge majority of the users on TikTok will not have like hundreds of thousands of followers and will thus require a tool like this to help them grow. And opportunities are that if you tell them about it, they will absolutely want to check it out, if not give it a try. Speaking of them trying this site out, a characteristic that is always tremendously helpful when you are trying to convince somebody to try something out you are promoting as an affiliate is a free trial. This is because people don't wish to pay the site you are promoting right away. This will of course make it that much easier to convince them to try this platform out, because they essentially lose non-entity as they are not donating any of their money. Once they see that the website certainly works, and if they assume that it will be worth to invest money into it, which will be the case maximum of the time, they will wanna pay this website. And when they do, you will get paid in turn as well. And if you are admiring how much will they pay you in commissions, you can see on this page here that they deliver 30% commissions, which is most certainly above average, nothing too outstanding, but they are good commissions to say the shortest. To summarize, guys, the site's affiliate program will pay you actually well. A ton of people would require a website like this thanks to TikTok's crazy popularity, and thanks to the free trial. You will have definitely no trouble assuring people to try the platform out, as they are not forced to invest money into it right away. The latter characteristic of this website will be that much additional significant when I show you 2 traffic quotations you can use, where you'll be able to find thousands upon thousands of individuals who will require this website and who we will know are curious in growing their TikTok accounts, so make sure you keep watching. With that announced, what I need you to do now, guys, is sign up to this FuelTalk's affiliate program. Enter in your full phrase in these 2 boxes here. Your email address and password go in the respective compartments below. The latter you will also require to retype as well, by the way. And once you fill in all of this information to sign up, just tick this box here and click on the submit button just below. With that done, what you now require to do is go over to your Gmail account and you want to find and open a message from FuelTalk that will look something like this. And just click on verify here to verify that the email address you entered literally belongs to you. And now that you have done that, you will be able to log into your brand current account on FuelTalk and snatch your affiliate link. And by the way, dudes, keep in mind that it will take a bit of moment until you get accepted into the affiliate program, anywhere from 24 hours all the way up to a few days, so make sure you stay patient. Once you do get approved and you receive the affiliate link, you will now be able to promote Fuel Talk, and when that happens you will now wanna go over to the initial traffic source I have for you today. That traffic source is a site called Quora.com, a place, as most of you already know, where people come and ask questions respecting just about anything, and then they get answers from the members of the community. And if you come over to a site called SimilarWeb.com, you will be able to observe exact statistics on Quora's popularity. As you can see, Quora has been visited by over 500 million population in the past month. This just goes to demonstrate you how popular the website is, and this is of course important for me to mention because a website's popularity will literally impact the quantity of money you will be eligible to make through the website when using it as a traffic source. What you'll require to do on Quora when you come onto the site is sign up. If you haven't already, the sign up button should be located somewhere around here and you'll wanna click on it and sign up to the site. Once you do so, here is what you wanna do now. Type in the search bar here something along the lines of how can I grow on TikTok, how to grow my TikTok account. Just type in something identical to that. It doesn't have to be those exact keywords. However, if what you typed in precisely, you will now be able to see hundreds if not thousands of questions considering growth on TikTok, and you will now wanna answer as many of them as you probably can, and share your affiliate link to Fuel Talk in each and every answer. And by the way, here's a tip: don't just share your affiliate link and type in like check this website out to grow on TikTok. You'll rather wanna provide some value first. Go over on Google.com and search for decent tips on growing on TikTok and practically copy and paste that in your answer, and only then will you wanna write something like, if you wanna get ultimate growth, check out this tool here, and then leave your affiliate link next to that. In this fashion guys, it will not be obvious that you are promoting Fuel Talk, which in turn will enable you to get more clicks on your affiliate link. You can also speak of the free trial of the website as nicely if you want to. I'd perceive that should get you more clicks. You will practically want to answer all of these questions in much the same fashion. And the best part about this is that people who ask the valid questions won't be the only ones to see the answer, but all of the people who searched on Google for growing on TikTok and opened up Quora. This means that the enormous majority of people, and there will be a bunch of them thanks to Quora's crazy popularity, who will observe your answer will be interested in growing on TikTok, meaning that many of them will check out the platform and make you money when they do so, and in absolute passive income as well, as guaranteed. The second way you can get traffic, though in my impression, would be far more valuable, and it's through the use of YouTube. So here's what you wanna do. You will wanna generate a video like some of these people have about growing on TikTok, and I can ensure you that the announced video will get a lot of views just like all of these videos have. This is all thanks to TikTok's popularity. I remembered way back in the beginning. And by the way, you won't require to record yourself talking about TikTok. You can rather record your own screen as I am doing so right presently, and just go over all of Fuel Talk's characteristics in the said video, encompassing the free trial, which should get you a bunch more clicks than otherwise would be the case. Once you finish your video, you'll just go ahead and upload the video onto YouTube and leave your affiliate link in the description, and precisely thousands may see it. And whenever some of them click on your link and try the website out, you will get paid, and in passive income as well. Incorporate YouTube with Quora and you'll be able to make a bunch of money doing nothing from here practically. They are two enormous platforms where you can find a bunch of people who will get huge value from FuelTalk.com, and that's it. If you is the lover of similar content like this, take a look at my distinct videos, and if you love it, please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. If you have additional questions, please feel independent to comment down below. Catch sight of you in the successive video.